It's Quirk assist.
Yeah. Okay, good, bro.
Alright, just don't let their crossbow play.
Yeah. They have 3 tanky rules. Ghost trap.
I got it.
Okay.
Ghost, take outside lane. I'll take close to the wall. On the inside.
Okay, I'm purged.
Oh, and good luck with artilleries. I don't think Quirk's gonna let you.
Full appearance down it. Yeah.
Ghost,
Okay,
we're just
tank.
hitting the tanks, brother. First, front to back, front to back.
Others, your
Front to
HP
back.
is low. Just go back.
Ghost, come back, bro. Front to back. We're not diving their back line.
Okay, I'm purged.
Oh, and he's gonna.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm on the crossbow. I'm on the.
Okay.
Ghost, hit this tank. Where you going, bro? Nice meatball. Hit this tank with me. And get away from my area. Go north.
I'm respond.
Go up the stairs. See ya, bud.
Azaz, your HP is low. Don't attack. Just run back.
See ya, bud.
Ah.
I'm hitting Daybreaker right now.
They're purged.
I'm back.
Holy fuck. When you use your E, just remind me, Lord. Like I'm telling you like 1,000 times.
Go outside, man. Ghost, you should be up by that pillar.
Yeah, push.
Yep, there you go.
Mhm.
Need some stacks.
Trying to
Give me a
silence them.
chance.
They're silenced. Purged. Oh, that was good one. Maybe. They're too much tanky.
There's nothing to interrupt you here with it, but they're gonna get a good reset.
Oh fuck, I got so pierced. I'm coming back.
You gotta get some of these stacks off of them too, brother.
Yeah. They're so much spread out. Oh
That's good though.
fuck, I'm missing. Yeah, I'm coming back. I'm purged. I'm using the spot.
Selecting the front.
Okay, I'm
Mana.
purged.
I'm on Daybreaker right now.
He's silence. He's pierced. Hopefully.
I'm on tank. Hitting tank.
They're heal reducing the back.
Look at the tank. Look at the tank. I'm coming back for the heals.
Hitting Daybreaker.
I'm going in. Okay.
Nice purge.
They're
Oh,
all
God,
heal
he put 'em
reduced.
onto me, I'm
They're all
scared.
heal reduced.
Look at the healer. Okay.
We're
Yeah,
hitting
so
tank
low.
right now. We're hitting tank. Yep.
The
Yeah, try to focus on that position, brother. It's gonna make our lives a lot easier.
they're rooted.
The tank here. The tank here.
The tank is heal reduced.
Okay, I'm pierced.
The
I'm
tank
coming
is
back for
pierced.
heals.
He's super pierced. Nice meat fireball.
Tank.
He's gonna eat that. Ooh. Oh man, if you get a purge there,
Yeah.
that would have been gooch. Alright.
Yeah, I just used pursue movement before.
Damn. Unfortunate.
Okay, I'm coming back.
Look at this Daybreaker. Can you hit this Daybreaker with me? Never mind.
They're pierced.
Okay, I got pierced twice. I'm restricted. Okay, I'm going back again. Look at the tank. Look at the tank.
Mana?
Pull out tenacity on them. Look at the tank. Look at the tank.
Okay. I'm gonna reset.
Tank is rooted.
Okay, guys, talk,
No
guys,
blink on
talk.
Daybreaker. Blinker just did. Daybreaker in.
I'm dropping
Like
Judy in the
that,
back line.
Aye, good reset.
Spill out. Yeah, we are lucky. I'll cut back a little, guys. We are getting pushed back for some reason. Mm-hmm.
Okay, stop. I think because our back line, our front line's in our back.
Yeah,
Okay,
why is Azaz? Why are you doing that?
Oh, we should have called that, bro.
Yeah.
I would have nailed that shit. Call me next time you're gonna put him in the wall like that.
Yeah,
If we
I'm
survive here.
responding. Yeah. I'm cutting back. Hold on,
Yeah,
hold on.
Fuck him.
You have 8 seconds for the jury. They're
Oh
purged.
shit, I missed
Oh,
it.
nice.
Go on the SD tank, guys. SD
Can you
tank.
put him in the wall soon?
No. Yeah, I can.
Oh, okay.
They are not in position.
Alright,
I'm
you
dropping
gonna
Judy.
die,
Oh, fucking... No, I did.
Yeah, they got a full reset too.
Mm-hmm. I'll just go on the back, on their back line when I come back. Don't be on our front line. I mean,
I was
back line.
I was at
Yeah.
30%, so I just stayed back.
Anna?
Okay, I'm back. They're capping. We're gonna push hard. Them. And someone
Zalis,
cap
you need to
when
get
you go.
stacks, brother. Your stacks are about to fall off.
Go cap, guys. Go cap. Fuck.
I think Daybreaker.
Put a tenacity on them.
Oh, nice pop.
They're getting cap, guys. Someone go. Okay. No worries. They're purged. 5 seconds for the route.
Look at tank. Okay.
Don't use artillery on the tank.
I'm on Daybreaker now, Ghost.
Okay, I
Daybreaker.
can purge. Sorry.
Watch out when he does his reflecting spin.
Yeah. That is a thing.
Damn.
Okay, I'm responding. I'm back. Dropping Judy. Oh,
They're all
dropping Judy.
Too late, man.
Dropping Judy. Okay, there is nothing.
Yeah. I come back earlier. Like when you're 70% health, 60% health.
Mm-hmm. Others you need to be on the back line.
Like you can't wait till you're 30% and then come back.
Yeah.
Because they're gonna heal cut you. Yes, they have to plan for that.
You don't need to attack anyone, just go on the back line. On the back line, always. If you're HP low, come back. HP good, go. Curse. Look at the curse, guys.
Because blinked into you.
Yeah. Its name is... Look, our target is Ion. I'm telling this to Azaz only.
Miss on your wildfire.
Okay, I'm coming back using respawn. Fucking great. Ah,
That's when you should be coming back. Get your stacks.
yeah.
Now, count mentally in your head 15 seconds. That's about how much time you got before you need to come back for your next reset. But, yeah.
I'm dropping Judy on the backline. I'm coming back.
I'm resetting my stacks.
Head back, don't die. We need a full reset. Okay, go. Don't use your artillery on... Okay, I'm back.
Oh, you bumped him out of my E. What exactly did that boot serve? Or were you trying to put him in the wall?
I was running back. No.
Ah, GG's. Let's go. Let's go. Are you still on? Oh, you're on fire still. Okay. Okay.
When he's the
Mhm.
on the backline, others. You are attacking there for melee DPS.
Yep.
I am coming back stacks. Okay, that was a
Okay.
good one. Look at the fire, look at the ion. Okay. You are attacking different targets.
I'm coming back for stacks.
Spirit, Spirit.
We hit this Saber.
Coming race what? I'm using. Okay. I'm coming back. I'm trying to silence him to the wall. Fucking missed. Sorry.
That's okay. You hit him at least.
Let's go back.
Alright.
Only on their
Big play. On tank.
They purged. Okay,
And
I'm
there's
gonna
the
spot.
reset.
only on their back. Only on their back.
Healer.
Alright guys, well, lots to work on. Hopefully,